Wait, this tool claims it can build AI websites that make money, automatically. I tested it, and honestly, the results surprised me. If you're like most people trying to make money online, you've probably tried building websites, got stuck with hosting, design, content, or wasted money on tools that overpromise, and the worst part, nothing actually converts into real income. So when I saw AI auto sites, I was skeptical. Let's be real, what do you actually want? A website that's done for you, no coding, no writing, something that can actually make money basically. A shortcut that works. So today, I'm reviewing AI auto sites. This tool claims it can create full websites using AI, generate content, automatically monetize with affiliate offers. Sounds powerful, but also risky. So I tested it. Here's what it does. AI generates complete websites, creates content for each page, adds monetization, ads, affiliate links, optimizes structure for traffic. It's basically trying to replace WordPress setup, content writing, SEO basics all in one. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a niche, example, weight loss, crypto, AI tools. Step 2. Enter keywords. The AI uses this to build content. Step 3. Click generate within minutes. Homepage created, articles generated, pages structured. Step 4. Publish or host. That's it. No technical work. When I tested it, I created a site in the AI tools niche. Here's what I noticed. Content was decent, not perfect, but usable. Site structure was clean, setup was fast, under 10 minutes. But content still needs editing, not fully SEO optimized. You still need traffic strategy. So yeah, it works, but not magically. This product is created by experienced digital marketers. They've launched tools before in affiliate marketing automation space, so it's not from a random beginner. Looking at sales page, early user feedback, people are saying easy to use, saves time, good for beginners, but also not set and forget, requires effort for results, which is realistic. Here's what I actually liked. Checkmark, saves time building sites. Checkmark, beginner friendly. Checkmark, good starting point for affiliate sites. Checkmark, no coding needed. This is more like a shortcut tool, not a magic system. Let's be honest, this is where most reviews lie. Here are the cons. Content quality is average, no guarantee. Traffic needs manual optimization, not ideal for advanced marketers. If you expect passive income instantly, this is not it. The front-end price is usually low, around $10 to $20 range. But there are upsells, advanced features, automation tools, traffic tools, so keep that in mind. Compared to tools like AI website builders, WordPress plus plugins, AI auto sites is faster, simpler, but less customizable, less powerful. Long term, you should consider this. If you're a beginner, you want fast website setup, you hate tech setup, you're testing affiliate marketing, avoid this. If you want instant passive income, you already run advanced sites, you expect perfect AI content, you don't plan to drive traffic. So is AI auto sites worth it? Yes, if you use it correctly. No, if you expect magic. It's a tool, not a business. If you combine it with good traffic strategy, smart affiliate offers, then it can actually work. If you want to check it out, link is in the description below. I've also added any available bonuses there. Just make sure you understand what you're buying, use it properly, and don't rely on hype.